Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are good. So, in the previous class, we were learning and discussing from chapter 5 of English literature. The name of the chapter was Movies Kites. Okay, and let me tell you the quick summary what we have learned in the previous class. This story is about Maui who wanted to tame the wind, who want to control the wind. So he made a kite by using his mother's largest, strongest cloth piece and bamboo sticks, and also with the branches of the Olona shrub. And in order to fly that, this Maui and his friends went to the keeper of the wind and they asked for Ipu Iki, the wind, and she gave them that wind and they played with that wind. After some time, this wise old lady, the keeper of the wind, said to Maui and his friends that now today for its enough, you must respect the wind, then only the wind will respect you. So Maui and his friends gave back the wind and they went back to the home. Till here we have learned in the previous class. Today we will go for the further learning of this chapter. So all of you open your books to page number 42. Page number 42. Today we will start with the paragraph 7 in the page number 42. Ma'am will be reading for you. Where ma'am is reading, you have to put your fingers over there. Okay, children? Let's start, read and understand what happened next with Maui and his friends. But Maui was not content. Okay? But Maui was not content. Not content means he was not happy. Okay? He even flew the kite with the help of that Ipu Iki wind, but still he was not happy. Not content means वो खुश नहीं था. He had seen how high his kite had gone and he now wondered just how much higher it could fly. उसने देखा था कितने ऊंचे तक उसका काइट उड़कर गए थे और अभी वो सोच रहे इससे ज्यादा वो काइट उड़ सकते थे. The next day, Maui and his friends took the great kite and went back to the cave of the wind. The next day, again, this Maui and his friends took the great kite. Okay, it was very heavy kite, and they took the kite and they went to the cave of the wind. Wind जो गुफा में है वहाँ पर वो गए. O keeper of the winds, bring out Ipu Nui, god of the four great winds, cried out Maui. Now again, here he is telling for another wind, the great four winds. Okay. It's a terrible great storm. वो बहुत भयानक आंधी तूफान है. But this young boy is asking for that wind to the keeper of the wind. The winds of Ipu Iki were enough, Maui, she replied. Now the keeper of the winds was a wise old lady, and by knowing that she is telling Maui, Ipu Iki, the wind was enough for you. Don't call this Ipu Nui. It will be very terrible. Okay? Don't you remember what I said to you? आपको याद नहीं कल मैंने क्या बोला? You must respect the winds, especially the four great winds. Now the keeper of the wind is telling to Maui that you must respect. आपको winds को respect करना चाहिए, आदर करना चाहिए, especially the four great winds, because it's a terrible great storm. Okay? But I am as strong as the four great winds, said Maui, and he began to chant. Now this boy is not willing to accept what the lady said. Many times we are also the same thing. Yes? कई बार हम भी ऐसे करते हैं, जब बड़े हमसे कुछ बोलते हैं हम अपने जिद पे रहते हम उनका बात नहीं मानते. Same way Maui also doing here. Okay, but this lady know what will happen if Ipu Nui come out. लेकिन वो all lady जानती है यदि Ipu Nui बाहर आते हैं, because she was experienced one. Okay, वो बहुत अनुभवशाली थी. So she knew if it come out, then the complete village will be destroyed. Okay, so she was trying to make him understand, but he was not trying to take her advice positively. He's telling, I'm as strong as the four great winds, said Maui, and began to chant. वो repeatedly shout करके उसी गाने को गाता रहा, मैं उससे भी ज्यादा strong हूँ. Oh, four great winds, mighty as a god, winds from the god of everlasting winds, come from Ipu Nui, strong winds, churning winds, hasten and come to me. Now this Moi is singing the song to bring out the winds, the four great winds. Oh, four great winds, mightiest God, जैसे God से उनके जैसे जितना mighty strong wind from the God of everlasting wind. There is no end for that wind. Come from Ipunui. Ipunui से बाहर आए. Strong winds, turning winds, hasten and come true. You just move round and come to outside. Okay, this movie is telling. Now let's go with page number 43. From inside the cave came a mighty roar. From inside the cave, गुफा के अंदर से जैसे मोई गाना गा रहा था, so mighty roar. Roar means a बहुत strong गर्जने का आवाज आए. The keeper ran towards the entrance. By hearing that noise, the keeper of the wind ran towards the entrance. Entrance की ओर दौड़कर चले गए. But she was too late. When she reached the entrance, already the Ipunui of that north wind and east wind. We learned that in the Ipunui, four great winds are there. Okay, Ipunui में चार winds हैं. एक साथ Ipunui कहा जाता है. So first, north wind and east wind pushed the robber and snatched the kite from the hands of the Moi's friends. Now, the kite, the two winds from the Ipunui, the north one and the east one, pushed her over. जो कीपर को उसे धक्का दिया and snatched, और बच्चों के हाथ में जो काइट था उसे छीन कर उड़कर चले गए. Come to the next. Moi's kite was swept far out over the sea. Now, मोई का काइट समुद्र के भी ऊपर बह निकले. He laughed and delighted when he saw how far his kite had gone, and at the keeper who was struggling vainly to put the lid back on Ipunui. Now, by seeing Moi's kite is flying above the sea, by seeing that Moi laughed, okay, and with delight, बहुत खुश होकर वो हंसने लगा. When he saw how far his kite had gone, कितने दूर तक उसका काइट उड़कर चले गए. During this time, the keeper of the wind, okay, the keeper of the wind, she knew that this wind is very dangerous. ये wind बहुत खतरनाक है, तो उसे वापस लेकर आने का बहुत कोशिश में थी, लेकिन वो कामयाब नहीं हो रहे थे. Then the west wind and south wind howled out of the guard and knocked it from the woman's hand. इसके दौरान जो दो विंड उस लोके में थे, उसमें से पश्चिम और दक्षिण विंड वो भी बाहर आए, knocked it from the woman's hand, और उस महिला के हाथों से दस्तक दी. ओके, नेक्स्ट. The kite went as high as the cord was long. जितना उसका कॉर्ड, पतंग का कॉर्ड, जितना पतंग का रस्सी जितना लंबा था, उतना तक वो काइट ऊपर की ओर उड़ गया. And then it struck fiercely at the cord. और the cord began to hum in the wind and the kite disappeared in the darkening cloud. So the cord began to hum in the wind. cord जैसे जैसे उसमें कट होकर वो ऊपर की ओर जा रहे थे, तो काइट वहां से disappeared हो गए थे. Thinking that he was in control, Moi called out. Moi क्या सोच रहा था? ये winds कंट्रोल में है, so he started to call the winds back. Oh winds, mightiest God, return to Ipunui. Moi is calling the Ipunui winds that you come back, okay? But of course the winds were beyond his control. वो winds Moi के कंट्रोल से परे थे, okay? They raged stronger and stronger until the cord attached to the kite snapped with a mighty crack. वो तब तक बहुत मजबूत होते गए, blew forcefully, जब तक उस cord उस kite से क्रैक होके अलग नहीं हुए, तब तक वो स्ट्रॉन्गर होते गए. Moi almost fell backwards, and even Moi also almost fell backward. वो भी पीछे को गिरने शुरू की. The kite sailed away over the mountain, never to be seen again. वो kite उस पहाड़ों के ऊपर से उड़कर चले गए, बाद में कभी दिखाई नहीं दी. So students, today I am stopping till here. In the next class, we will go with the next page of the story. What happened with the kite and what happened with the villagers of Moi. Everything we will be learning in the next class. Till then, you just read the lesson completely. Try to understand the lesson and do the homework. Take care, children. Stay home, stay safe.